How to fix desktop or taskbar icons overlapping on Windows. 1. Turn on align icons to grid. 2. Change the icon size. 3. Restore the default icon spacing in Windows registry. 3.1 Head to HKey_current_user /control panel /desktop /window metrics in registry editor. 3.2 Set -1125 to both icon spacing and icon vertical spacing. 4. Change the display resolution. Reinstall built-in Windows apps. Run get-apps package alerts for each apps package register $_install location \apps_manifest.xml disable development mode command in PowerShell as admin. 6. Troubleshooting clean boot state.